Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 25th of May 2024. I'll be going over week 22's results for the front testing based on option chain analysis for Tesla. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So if I move this here, so it lets me move it. Okay, you know what, never mind. It's not going to let me move it, so you can still see this here. On the 19th, we made the prediction. If you are curious, definitely go watch the video for these predictions. Specifically, this column would generally give you the dates, and there may be one up or one down. Look for a video titled Option Chain Analysis on this date, and definitely go view the rationale. We predicted that the option chain predicted that Tesla would go down. Not the case. It actually went up by 1.68 points. 1.68 points, which is a 0.95% loss, bringing our cumulative P&L down to minus 43.78%. Compared to Tesla's 20.93%, we are at a minus 22.85% alpha based on the option chain analysis. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.